Are you looking for the best collapsible wagons? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best collapsible wagons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Max Sports Heavy Duty Collapsible Beach Wagon. Beach bums, this is the pick for you. The Max Sports Heavy Duty Beach Wagon has 4-inch wide wheels, which make for better traction than skinny wheels on sandy or pebbly beaches. The wagon's fabric can't be removed like our best overall, but it can withstand getting hosed down after a day at the beach thanks to its mildew resistance. Brushing off sand is a breeze, too. When it's time to fold it up, it opens and closes accordion style. We could even do it with one hand. While the wagon has a weight capacity of 150 pounds, the manufacturer recommends only loading up to 50 pounds when using it in deep sand. Essential details. Dimensions: 36.2 by 21.4 by 24.6 inches, weight capacity, 150 pounds, material, 600 denier polyester fabric, steel frame, overall weight, 24.5 pounds. Number 2. Gorilla Carts Folding Wagon. Why we picked it? The Gorilla Cart Folding Wagon is a great choice if you're looking for a spacious wagon with unique features. The step and lock brakes on the front wheels of this wagon are helpful when navigating uneven terrains, which aren't available on the other wagons we tested. The wagon also has expandable pockets and collapses in a quad-fold style. It's become our go-to resource for carrying heavy items and still works well after a year of use. However, we noticed that the small tires have trouble moving on sand and tend to drag through it instead. Essential details. Dimensions: 36 by 21 by 15 inches, weight capacity, 150 pounds, material, metal frame, polyester, overall weight, 21 pounds. Number 3. Max Sports XTender Wagon. At 52 inches long, the Max Sports XTender is the longest wagon on our list. We can attest to its durability after using this wagon for over a year and leaving it out on our covered porch through every season. Despite its long size, the wagon's wheels easily maneuver on dirt, grass, and pavement. The skinnier wheels aren't the best for navigating sand, but if it's not too full, the wagon rolls just fine. Since more of your load can be laid flat on the XTender rather than piled on top of each other, this helps keep everything steady when pulling it across uneven surfaces. But it isn't the easiest wagon to maneuver on the stairs. 2 people could easily lift it using the side handles if you need to take it up and down stairs, but we wouldn't recommend doing it solo. Essential details. Dimensions: 52.25 by 19.95 by 20 inches, weight capacity, 150 pounds, material, mildew and UV-resistant 600 denier polyester fabric, powder-coated steel frame, overall weight, 25 pounds. Number 4. Radio Flyer All-Terrain Wagon with Canopy. The Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Off-Road Easy Fold Wagon with Canopy is great for families because of its seating. With the zippers on the wagon's sides, you can easily convert it from a hauling wagon to a bench seating wagon for your kids. It also has seat belts to keep your little ones safe while you pull them around. The best part of this wagon is how easily it collapses and can be put in the car with just one hand. We've been using this wagon for over 2 years now, and it still performs beautifully. It has 2 front cup holders and a rear storage pouch for the canopy when it's not in use. We wish this pocket were bigger because, with the canopy inside, there's little room for anything else. We would appreciate another storage option, but this is a small gripe for such a great wagon. Essential details. Dimensions: 32.7 by 39 by 18.5 inches, weight capacity, 150 pounds, material, metal, polyester fabric, plastic wheels, overall weight, 22 pounds. Number 5. Veer Cruiser Stroller Wagon. During testing, we threw just about everything at this wagon. It fell out of the car, was loaded to the brim with a toddler and his essentials, and trekked over dirt, grass, sand, and pavement for weeks without a single sign of wear. When covered in spilled coffee or wet food from kids, it's very easy to rinse and look like new. We hauled a 2-year-old, all of his gear, a small cooler bag, and a 4-foot giraffe toy at the zoo, and still felt comfortable pushing and pulling the cart with ease while the toddler had plenty of room to sit. That said, the wheel's fender fell off while testing. One of the cup holders also fell off its clip over the past year, so we don't use those regularly for toting beverages. Essential details. Dimensions: 37 by 25 by 23 inches. 37 by 20 by 14 inches folded. Weight capacity: 110 pounds, 55 pounds per seat, or 300 pounds of non-human cargo. Material: aircraft-grade aluminum frame, foam-filled tires. Overall weight: 32.5 pounds.